Okay, today I will show you how to ingest log from endpoint from the agents to Wazuh server. So what I will do, I will ingest log from our Windows machine to our Wazuh server. So first thing first, what you need to do, you need to configure your Wazuh configuration file in agent. So let's go to C drive. We can do this from server side. We can do this from agent side also. I'll show you from the agent side, but definitely if you implement the same piece of code into the server side configuration, it will work. No worry. So without wasting time, let's go. I'll show you. So let's go C program files. Then we need to go OSEC agent. Then our configuration file where it is. This is the configuration file. Let's open it with the notepad. I will use notepad++. So under here we need to go file integration monitoring. This is the portion of file integration monitoring. Remember, whatever you have to do under syscheck. Syscheck is the one. Within this tag you have to modify and do any what type of changes you want to do, you can. So intentionally I use 60 seconds for frequency because we need to check the logs. The default is 12 hours, which is kind of 43,200 I think in second. But I use 60 seconds because I need to check the update frequently. So these are all the Windows registry logs. So what I have to do, these are not the Windows registry logs, these are the Windows file actually. So the registry logs are here. Windows registry entries to monitor. So these are the registry logs which this Wazuh agent will monitor. And we have another section, and that is called Windows registry entry to ignore. That means this registry entry Wazuh will ignore and will not make logs or ingest logs in the server. So let's take a random one. See, take this one. This one. Okay, I will check from this registry entry. But before that, you need to do one thing. First of all, make the timing to 60-second frequency because it will help you to understand this case, number one. And number two, you have to do here a small piece of code you need to write, which is report changes. Report underscore changes equal to quote yes unquote. What will happen now, whenever we will be modifying any file, it will show in our system what things we have modified. Right, let's save this file first. Okay, done. Now restart the Wazuh server. You can restart it by using PowerShell, or you can restart using Windows service. Generally I use Windows service. Okay, so restart done. Now I have to go to this location. How to go to this location? Just copy from H key to run. Copy the syntax. Now go to regedit. Okay, and open the regedit with administrative privilege. Very good. Yes. Then we have to see, this is the field. We have to delete everything from here. Control A. Sorry. Let's select everything. Okay, delete and paste whatever we have copied. Okay, we are into the correct location. See, on my left hand side, run, and in the notepad it is also H key local machine software Microsoft Windows current version run. H key local machine software Microsoft Windows current version run. We are into the correct space. So now create a file here. Let's create a file. You can create key. I'll show you regarding the creation of key, but before that let me create a string value first. Okay, name of the file of the name of the file will be dev. Let's say dev. enter, second enter, use the value data is something 999999 for the example. Okay, done. Okay, number one activities we done. We created a file first. That file value is some kind of 9. Now what I will do, I will modify this file. That means I will double click or modify whatever. Now I will change this to 1111111. So what will happen, we will get two logs now. One is for the addition of file number 1. Number 2 will be modification of the file. Okay, let's create another file, string value, and the name of the file be dev2, enter and write down 2 something 2, like we can understand it is a second file. Okay, we have created 2 files now. Now what I will do, I will delete both of them. So whenever you are doing in your production environment, do it very cautiously, okay, because this may crash your system. Okay, let's delete. Wazuh should log all of these activities. I will go to our Wazuh server. Let's go to the Wazuh server. You need to go from the screen, need to go the active endpoint. This is Windows 11. Then click on this icon. Then go to file integration monitoring. Now you have to go to the events. From events, you will be getting the updates. So since we already copied this location, let's filter out with this location. It will help us. Copy. Let's go to, so I will filter it with syscheck path. Okay, so add a filter, syscheck dot path. Okay, syscheck path is, I'll give value this. Okay, now I will save this. Okay, we got some logs. See, we got 3 logs here. Okay, let me just filter out with the timings. 1 hour, within 1 hour. Okay, so now if you refresh this, you will get the logs, added logs, modified logs, also deletion logs. Now you can click here and inspect accordingly. This is the file dev2, this is the registry value of dev2. Okay, based on that you need to analyze whatever is important for you or whatever is not important for you. I think logs are coming a little bit slowly, don't know the reason, because I am expecting another log which is not present here. Okay, so got 2 logs only. Okay, this is the modification I am okay, so I hope you understood this thing. Also, just to let you know that if you need this from the server side, because you have multiple endpoint, then just copy this thing and paste it within the agent config area.